On my last video, I showed how to connect a VoIP telephone to the All-Star node using the SIP protocol. On this video, I will show how to add a cell phone to the All-Star node using an app called DV Switch Mobile. Let's begin. Open an internet browser and go to the IP address of your All-Star node. My All-Star node is at 192.168.160.14. Click on Web Admin Portal. The All-Star Link System Manager will open. Log in to the All-Star node. Upon successful login, click the terminal at the left menu. You will now see the terminal interface. On the terminal, type sudo space nano space /etc/IAX.conf. Then press enter. The IAX.conf will now open for editing. The first stanza you will see is the general. You will scroll up, and the next stanza you will see is radio. Keep scrolling. The next stanza will be IAX-RPT, and just below that is the IAX client. This is the one we want, the one that we will edit. Change the IAX client to your call sign. Change the secret password to whatever password you like. When typing your password, please do not use special characters. Use only letters and numbers. Please remember this password. You will need it later when we set up the DV Switch mobile application. Once done, press Ctrl X, then Y to save, then Enter to exit, and close the IAX.conf file. Next, we will edit the extensions.conf file. On the terminal, type sudo space nano space /etc/extensions.conf. Then press enter. The extensions.conf file will now open for editing. The first stanza is general, followed by globals, then default, then radio-secure. Scroll down until you see IAX-client stanza. On mine, I placed a semicolon on every line to disable and bypass all those lines. Then I created my own IAX-client just below it, copied each line, then added these 5 lines just below same equals n, hang up line. Once done, press Ctrl X, then Y to save, then press Enter to exit. Back on the terminal, type sudo space reboot to apply those changes. Once the All-Star node is finished rebooting, we can start programming the cell phone and the app called DV Switch Mobile. On your cell phone, go to the Google Play Store. Click on Search. On the search bar, type DV Switch Mobile. This is what we want. Click Install. Once done, go to the main screen of your phone. Look for the DV Switch mobile app. Click on the app to open it. Allow the permissions. When the app is open, click on Accounts. Click on the first one with the green check mark. For the protocol, select IAX2. Hostname, enter the local IP address of your All-Star node. For the port, enter the AIX port of your node. Mine is 4568. On the username, enter your call sign. Password, enter the secret password you created earlier on iax.conf. Caller ID, enter your call sign. Node, enter your All-Star node. Make sure there's a checkmark on phone mode IAX2 connection. Adjust the transmit and receive level to the middle. Then hit save. Go to the dialer tab. You should see your node number below the dialer tab. Press connect and wait for a few seconds to allow the connection to your All-Star node.
Connected to node 676620.
To transmit, press and hold the PTT icon and release when done talking. Congratulations! I'm showing you now that there are 3 devices here with 3 different connectivity, all linked using the All-Star node. The first device is the Android phone. It's a cell phone. Using an app, it will connect to the All-Star node and will be able to talk to a VoIP phone and RF radio. This is voice over IP telephone. Also, that is capable of connecting to the All-Star Link node, and once connected, it can talk to a cellular phone or an RF radio. This is an RF radio. It will connect to the All-Star Link. It will also will link to Grandstream, VoIP phone, and cellular phone. Let me start with the cellular phone. I will use the app called DV Switch Mobile. I will launch that application, and it is programmed because I added it on my accounts. This is my local account. All I have to do to connect to my All-Star node is to press connect.
Connected to node 676620.
The cell phone is now linked to All-Star node. Next, I will turn on the radio and demonstrate this cell phone now can talk to the RF radio through the All-Star node. Once this radio receives a signal, this green LED will light up. Okay, so watch it and listen for the audio to come out.
Hello, testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
The cell phone was able to trigger and communicate with the RF. Let's check the connectivity from RF to my cell phone. This is a test.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The RF radio was able to talk to my cell phone through the All-Star, of course. The last device I want to show you is my phone. I will dial the node to connect to it.
Extension 1001. Connected. Node 676620.
I'm going to connect from my phone to my cell phone using All-Star node. To communicate or to talk on VoIP to the All-Star, you will need a keypad. And you will dial *99 as if you're pressing a push-to-talk button. Test. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. VoIP
VoIP
to cell
to
phone.
cell phone.
Okay, to hang up, press the pound key. I'm going to test the communication between the cell phone and the VoIP telephone. This is
a test. 1, 2, 3, 4. From my cell phone to my VoIP telephone.
Dial *99 again. Test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Telephone to RF. From RF to the phone by simply pressing the PTT button. Testing. This is a test. 1, 2, 3, 4. RF to VoIP. There you go. 3 different devices with 3 different connectivity or technology, all talking and all linked using the All-Star Link node. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. I appreciate it. This is Alan, Victor Alpha 3, Bravo Hotel Yankee, 73.